Building a SaaS product shouldn't take 12 months and burn your entire runway. But for most founders, it still does. Let's fix that. Traditional SaaS development is slow, expensive, and risky. You hire a dev team, spend months building, and only then find out if users even want your product. That means wasted time, wasted money, and delayed growth. No-code tools solve speed, but they hit limits fast. As users grow, apps get slower, workflows become messy, and costs go up. Pure no-code just isn't built for serious scale. The smarter solution is a hybrid model. Use no-code for fast UI and workflows. Add custom back-end services for heavy logic, and layer in AI for automation, insights, and personalization. You get speed and scalability without rebuilding everything later. This approach helps founders launch faster, validate quicker, and scale 10 times more efficiently. Less burn, more traction, smarter growth. If you're building a SaaS product, this is the future. Ready to scale your SaaS faster and smarter? Book a free strategy call with Ellocent Labs, and let's build your MVP the right way.